If you have a free time, I'm going to show you how you can make money like this one, $35.17, July, August, September, and October. A passive recurring income. Simple step, you don't have to spend any money. You can do it under 5 minutes every single day, and you can generate a passive income every single day. So watch the video until the end. I'm going to show you how you can do that for free and under 5 minutes so you can make money every single day. First, what you have to do is find a product that you want to promote. Basically, I am interested on Javas AI. I'm using it personally. It is an AI to write a content automatically. You put the keyword, it will write the content for you. So you can use it for your YouTube, you can use it for your blog post and lots of other things. So as you see here, I joined Java's AI 4 months ago. I'm promoting it. After I joined with the affiliate program, I need a content. So what I did, I went to TikTok and find creators that creating content around it. Basically, these are affiliates. They just create content on their page and putting on it, and they're putting an affiliate link on their bio section, and they are generating views for that and clicks for the links. But one thing is, if you are new and if you are creating new account on TikTok, it takes a while to grow. But these creators already have thousands of followers. But what you can do is you can use their videos and give them credit, and you can promote another two websites where you can generate a passive income from it. So for example, what you do, if you're interested in any of these videos, click open that videos, and you're going to copy this link. After you copy that link, you need to go to this website called tickmate.online. It's a website where you can download TikTok videos for free without a watermark. So like that, the video will be downloaded without watermark. Then you can use these two websites to post your videos. The number one is Instagram, but particularly Instagram Reels. So you can see here, this is entire Instagram account is created for this product is Java's AI. 2 followers organically, 7 posts, and you can see if you look closely in this post on here, these 2 posts went viral. For this new account is viral. You can see 2,000 views and 4,000 views. Other 3 videos didn't get any views, but in the future they will get a view. This is the new video I posted 1 hour ago and already have a 39 views. So you can see if you open that, there's already 1 like there. But if you open the other 2 videos, this one, then you can see around 17 likes, and if you click another video, this one I have around 22 likes, which means there's a targeted audience for this affiliate product, and they are the one watching it and they are the one liking it. So your job is download 1 or 2 videos from TikTok every single day and put it on number 1 website is called Instagram, and particularly upload the video as Instagram Reels, because Instagram Reels is the one getting more engagement rather than Instagram post. All you have to do is you need to upload the video as Instagram Reels so you can get lots more engagement with it. Then on the bio section, basically keep it simple and said what is this about, what this product about, and their affiliate link in the bio on the description. So this affiliate link are working affiliate link, which means Instagram won't block your affiliate link. So if you put clickbank or digistore24 on the bio section, Instagram will block it, but this one is working 100%, and you can see simple enough. Upload that videos and you generate passive organic traffic for your Instagram page. From that you can generate a target audience to click the affiliate link. Also, you can repeat the same thing with Pinterest. That you can see here, this is a Pinterest account I basically created for this Java's AI. There's no other content or no other type of product I'm promoting on this Pinterest page. Just AI content writer, basic description, and the affiliate link on here. But when you come to Pinterest, it takes a little bit while, but it will grow exponentially. When you come to Pinterest, I suggest to create idea pin rather than a standard pin, because idea pin is the one still get more engagement like Instagram Reels, because these are similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These are the one the Instagram and Pinterest is pushing to lots of other people. So I suggest to create idea pin, which is the one going to get more engagement on Pinterest rather than standard pin like this one. So what you have to do now here, when you are creating idea pin, for example, if these are the idea pin, right? If you open any of the pin, there's no affiliate link, so you can't put any affiliate link on IdeaPin, but people can create your profile and they can come to your profile dashboard. On here you have to put the affiliate link. That's why I'm saying create a individual Pinterest account for the product that you want to promote. If any affiliate product that you find, just create a Pinterest page separately for that affiliate product, so you can upload specific content for that affiliate product. If we get any copyright claims or reports, because it won't affect, because it's the one account, you can rebuild it again, it won't affect any other affiliate product. So don't use your personal account, just create an individual account for that particular affiliate product. So when you're creating an Instagram account or Pinterest account, I suggest to put the affiliate product name as the name of the page. So you can see for the Pinterest AI content writer, or Instagram you can say AI content writer. Basically, when people search for AI content writer, this page can appear in front of them. So you can see simple. And on here I put the affiliate link. So if you click this pen icon on here, this is a setting of the Pinterest account. On the website page, you don't have to put your own website, you can put the affiliate website URL on here, and you can easily get the traffic for your Pinterest account. And then you can see it started to grow, start with 3 monthly views to now 70 monthly views. Now these views are go up because of this idea pin that you are creating. Like I said, all you have to do is go to TikTok and find a creator that is creating the content, download the video using TikMate, avoid the watermark, then go to Pinterest or Instagram, upload the video just like that. So when you're using someone else's content on Instagram or Pinterest, so give them credit by putting their name, like this is their name, so putting their name on the description of that post, so you won't get any copyright claim or reports on that social media. So simple and easy, you don't have to create any content, spend 5 to 6 minutes every single day, post 1 or 2 contents like that, and you will generate views and clicks for your affiliate link, so you can generate a passive income like this one every single day. So I hope guys you understand this basic model of affiliate marketing. If you want to join Jarvis AI, there's a link in the description, 5-day free trial, join, or you can apply this method to any other affiliate product and you can make a passive income every single day. If you guys interested in watching video like this one, you know the drill, subscribe, like these videos, and if you want to watch video like this one in the future, let me know. I will create lots of content every single day. Until that, have a good day. See you next video guys.